Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Alhambra finished in night blue. This model is a 2-litre TDI, 184 PS output, and has a benefit of the DSG gearbox. Features on the car are the front parking sensors, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. There's also the grey mirror caps on this one. This car's got a fantastic specification, which includes the privacy glass, the roof rails on the top, rear parking sensors, rear reverse camera, electric tailgate, the car has 3 rows of seats, as you can see. Can be made to 2 by extending the 3rd seat down to make a flat loading space. The side doors can be operated on a key fob or just by pulling the handle. Second row has 3 individual seats, ideal for 3 separate baby seats, with picnic tables as well. 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, electronically fold in, automatic lights, electric front seats with memory, multifunction leather steering wheel. The car's covered just over 8,600 miles. Also cruise control, DAB radio with Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, and navigation, dual climate control with heated front seats, storage at the front and in the centre. There's also an extra USB port, 3.5mm auxiliary and a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further details on this car, please contact Patrick at Crewe. The number here is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.